Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next
point. I don't know if I am to be mad, sad, or to be laughing, because the controversy against Tinubu is coming out and is actually no longer funny. It's sad to say the least. There's actually something trending on Twitter for the past few hours now. So I've been following the tweet carefully, seeing what people are actually commenting. Do you know what people are saying? People are actually saying Tinubu is not from Nigeria, or some people are saying he has a dual citizenship, which there's a constitution that actually said, or there's a place in the Nigerian constitution that actually said somebody with dual citizenship cannot actually be president of Nigeria according to it. So I'm going to be giving you guys what people are talking on Twitter, and you know what actually makes this more interesting? Let me just read something to you before we start. This is a newspaper during the presidential election, and Independence Daily. The heading of this newspaper actually said 2023 presidency, Guinean president lobbies Buhari for Tinubu in Dara. Does this ring a bell? But then we'll definitely dig into the whole issue. So the whole thing started a few hours ago when David Hundayin actually posted this. He said surprise with a picture of Tinubu's passport, Guinea Conakry, I think. So he actually posted, here is the ID card or the passport he actually posted belonging to Tinubu. Then a lot of reactions, mixed reaction by Nigerians. As you can see, David Hundayin posted this, and a lot of people actually started reacting to the whole stuff. Then this person said, friends, Tinubu, different date of birth, no evidence of attendance of a school he claimed to have attended, failure to disclose a secondary citizenship, forgery of university degrees, potential instance of integrity thefts. As Bola Tinubu committed perjury. This Bola Tinubu committed perjury is actually trending on Twitter as we speak. Then you see this guy saying, oh God, who do we offend in this country? Why is it that everything about this man is questionable? Is it that the structure APT talked about? Structure of criminality, forgery, lies. This is exactly who his supporters are. Cause how can you support this? Then with the hashtag, you see this person saying, a guinea pig, a guinea fowl, a guinea corn, Agbado, Bola, fall out. Where did you say you are from again? No wonder he loves corn. Jesus, may God help Nigeria. Nigerians do not deserve this criminal. This is according to AGK Me Chimeze. Then you see this person saying, is Tinubu a Nigerian or from Guinea Conakry? Guinea Conakry is known for organized crime and drug peddling. By the constitution of Nigeria, a man who has dual citizenship cannot be president of Nigeria. No wonder this man fuels, this guy is saying, no wonder this man fuels tribal and religious war. He didn't even care about the Lekki massacre because Baba is not Nigerian. Then you see this person saying, breaking, Tinubu has a Guinea passport. No Nigerian with dual citizenship can be president. Automatic disqualification. Chapter 6, Part 1, Section 137 of the 1999 Constitution as amended has been violated. Miracle no retire Jesus, according to Cozy. And you see this one trending here. Say, this is really crazy. I can't believe this man is still a free man. I've never seen a single individual with a lot of controversy as Bat. Now this person saying, at this point, I am confused. Who truly is Bola Tinubu? Then you see this person say, are we going to continue allowing people whose nationality is being questioned to continue to rule us? As Bola Tinubu committed perjury, like I said, this hashtag is trending on Twitter. Then this person said the punishment for perjury is 14 years. Then you see this person saying we ought to be discussing Tinubu's JTN right now, not even him getting close to Aso Rock for any reason. Any idiot might want to give in his excuse. I see. Then, like I said, there's a newspaper, there's a news about a Guinea president actually lobbying Buhari for Tinubu in Dara a few months back. So this, I don't know if we are going to call it coincidence, but I think something fishy is actually happening right there. Then you see this person saying, our daddy Ahmed was right. Swearing in Tinubu is being unconstitutional and ending democracy in Nigeria. This must never happen. Tinubu has a Guinea passport. That's perjury. Ask Bola Tinubu committed perjury. Ask Tinubu for prison. So this is actually what is going on Twitter right now. Like I said, these are not my words. These are actually what people are saying on Twitter. You can go on Twitter if you have Twitter right now, or if you don't have, you can actually register and see what is trending. Tinubu committed perjury currently trending, and a lot of people are actually saying something about the whole stuff. So I cannot read all, I just took few. You can actually go to Twitter and fill your eyes with what is actually happening. So just let me know what you think about the whole stuff. Do you think it's a lie or a propaganda? Just share your thoughts in the comment section, and a big shout out to you guys. Peace.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.